Have you ever removed a background in Canva and get stuck on what to put behind it? In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's Magic Background, an AI tool that instantly creates a perfect backdrop for your photo. Okay, let's start with a blank canvas and let's add some images or photos. Let's say you have a photo shoot. So I'll search for some portrait and this is the image I'm using. You can easily remove the background, but let's say you have no idea what to use for the background. There is now a magic background button. When you click on it, it will automatically design a custom background for your page, knowing the context of what's on the page. So here are some of the designs that we see here. So based on this image, Canva thought that these would fit the image, but really in reality, this image doesn't give much context for. So if you don't like what is given here, once you've clicked on the magic background, you can now describe your background idea instead, or you can press surprise me again. Here are more ideas that Canva came up with. These are actually pretty good if it was in a lifestyle kind of theme. It came up with some pretty nice backgrounds, but let's try describing our own background. So let's say we want a modern pool and this is pretty vague, but let's see what it comes up with. So I think this did pretty well. It took in all my descriptions and created something. So here are a few choices, and I think these would actually fit really well with clothing photo shoot style. So now that you have your image cropped out like this, you can also move it around. Can edit this to give it a little bit of a shadow, so there's a little bit more depth. And you can, if you're going to use this background, you can also edit it now, edit this image and give it a little bit of a blur. I'll have some the picture. Like, I think this looks pretty good. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.